Alright, today we're gonna start by feeding Fern. So, gotta go in there and get the bucket. Let's hop this fence. I'll get to you guys. First, you stay in there. Alright, so we're gonna give her 4 scoops of this, of her cattle cubes mixed with the corn, because we're running kind of low on the corn in here. I need to refill that, and I gotta feed that to the ducks and the pigs and chickens, so we'll just give her this. Alright, let's go feed it to her. She's waiting. She's waiting. Back up, Fern. Good girl. Here's your food. And then while she's distracted eating her food, we'll give her some water. So, got our water jug right here. I know you want water. That's what I'm working on. Alright. I'll get you water. You want some water, Fern? You want some water? Okay. Get you some water. You're so happy, Fern. You're so happy, huh? Yeah. Alright. You gotta move out of the way. Gotta move out of the way. There's you some water, Fern. There's you some water, Fern. So difficult trying to water you with one hand. Yeah, it is. That's not a toy. Don't spill the rest of the water. Hey. No, Fern. You can't steal the water from everybody else just because you already got water. You stinker. Watch out. Watch out so I can put the lid back on. Hey. There. Are you so happy, huh? So happy. Fern, what's she doing? Hey. What are you doing, Fern? Ew, you got the handle all slobbery. What you gotta say about that? Is that a toy? You think so? Huh? You think that's a toy? Huh? Fern! Pretty girl. Hey, don't eat that. Don't eat that duct tape. You like that? Hey, we still gotta go water everybody else. I'd prefer it if you didn't dump out all the water. You weirdo. You weirdo. Alright, we got some vegetable scraps, we got some corn and some tortillas to go feed everybody in there. First, we're gonna start off with the corn to distract them so that they don't all try to get out. Hello, everybody! Look what I got! There's you guys some breakfast, some corn. Oh my goodness, that is so bad lighting. That's better. Now I'll go get you guys your veggie scraps and some water. Should have opened these outside. Everest, what I got for you? Look. Veggie scraps. Bonnie, you're missing out on the vegetables. Yeah, is that yummy? That's so yum, huh? Here's some tortillas. There you go. Guys. They're like, to heck with the grain. We want our vegetables. Got apples and celery and potatoes. Some oranges. Some yum. It's yum, huh? Hi, Angel. Alright, I'll go get you guys' water now. But I'm gonna end the video right here, because as you guys could see earlier, I was struggling with doing the water one-handed, so I'm not gonna record that right now. And I don't have anyone to record me, so I'll just end the video here. Bye, everybody. Say bye. Everest. Everest. Is that yum? Bye-bye.